Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create beautiful 3D text effect with using Element 3D plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition and composition name guys use 3D text. Yeah, and duration use 15 second and press OK. Yeah. So now guys, I use text tool, this one, and type your letter like this one, M, simple. That's my text and alignment like this, right? Okay, so guys, now I go to project and right click on project, import and import file. Yeah, and guys, see, that's my texture and press OK. Guys, I show you my texture. So go to here and see guys, that's my texture. You can download this texture from my website, it's free, right? So close and go to After Effects. Guys, select this texture, drag and drop on main comp like this. Yeah, and hide. And guys, next step, I take new solid layer and type E3D. Yes, and press OK. Yeah. Okay, so guys, select this E3D, go on top and select this layer and I apply Element 3D plugin. Yeah, and now guys, I go to custom layer and go to customize text and this one text, and second one apply texture, this one. Yes, right, simple guys. So click on screen setup. Yeah, and click on extrude. Yes, so guys, select this text and path resolution I use extreme full, create more smoothness. Yeah, so guys, bevel copy I take 2. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, go to presets, I apply material. So go to here, physical, and apply material like this, black, and second one gold material. Yeah, right, and remove unused material. Yes, so guys, select this black material, this one, and extrude I take 0.2. Yeah, and select this gold material and extrude same 0.2, and expand edge I take 0.5. Yeah, right. So guys, go to Z offset, I take 0.2. Yeah, like this. See guys, that's my bevel effect. Okay, so guys, little bit change this gold color. So select this gold material and go to reflectivity color and change guys. R I take 254 and G I take 164 and B I take 60. Yeah, see guys, right, it's better. So yeah, that's my RGB color. So guys, press OK, and now guys, rename, that's my text. Yeah, and guys, again click on extrude and that's my glossy text. So right click and rename like glossy text. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this glossy text and path resolution extreme. Yeah, and select this bevel and expand edge 0.25. Yes. And guys, select this glossy text and little bit back. Yeah, right. Okay, see. So guys, now select this text and again duplicate, press Ctrl D. Yeah, go on here. Yes, good. And guys, select this glossy text and copy. Go on here like this. But guys, this time select this bevel and extrude 0.5 half. Yeah. So apply. Yeah, guys, for more visibility, go to top view panel. Yeah, it's good. And last one, guys, select this text and again copy, Ctrl D. Go to here like this. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so guys, select this front one. That's my front text and go to gold material and enable bevel check. That's it. See, that's really good, right? Okay, so guys, my material is finished. Actually, that's my text. And now guys, I create material for this one, lighting. So create new material and select this material and guys, go to diffuse and click. Guys, I apply texture, this one, that's my texture. And brightness I take 100%. Yeah, and I go to luminance and same texture, brightness 100%. Yeah, so guys, select and apply on bevel, this one, and apply same. Yeah, right. See. Okay, so guys, now I change UV. So select this one, that's my mid one. Yeah, select this one and click. Guys, UV repeat I take 2, actually 2.5. 2.5. Yes, see, right? So select this front one and UV I take 5 and 5. Yes, good. See, right? It's really good. Okay, so now guys, I change material type. That's my default. Now I create glass effect. So go to last one and advanced to change screen. Yes, see guys, now that's my transparent glass material, right? Okay, so guys, select and create more glossiness. So guys, click on here, this one, use diffuse color, check, and intensity I take 100%. Yes, guys, you can increase more intensity depend on your work, like 150. Yeah, also good. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, I apply plane. So go to create and click on plane and double sided check, and plane size I take 15 and 15. And rotation flip, actually orientation minus 90, and go to back like this. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, remove unused material and this time I go to pro shader, metal, and apply any metal material like this. Yes. Okay, so guys, select this metal material and change UV like 15 and 15. Yes, good, right? Okay, so guys, all is good. And now guys, this step I change HDRI light. So go to environment and use backlight. That's my environment light, HDRI light, and apply this one. I like this one, light. Yes, see, that's really beautiful, guys. See, it's really good, right? Okay, so guys, now I change some setting on HDRI environment. So click and brightness I take 50 and contrast, actually saturation minus 0, actually 100%, little bit like minus 50 is good, minus 50. Yeah, much better, right? Okay, so guys, my HDR is good. And now guys, I change all setting on text. So select this text and right click, reflection mode, use spherical. Yeah, guys, that's most important part. Spherical and spherical, reflection mode, spherical. And glossy text is good. And plain mode, I use mirror surface. Yes, see, that's my reflection, right? It's really good. Okay, so guys, my text is finished. Now press OK. Yeah, all is good. And guys, save this project. So like tutorial. Yeah, and now guys, I take camera and preset 35mm and select this camera and closer like this, and orientation, actually orbit change like this. Yes, really good. And yeah, okay, so guys, now I create camera movement animation. So select this camera and press P, position check, and go to last one, and orientation, actually orbit change like this. Yeah, and select this keyframe and press F9. Yeah, and play. See guys, that's my beautiful lighting. Okay, so guys, now I change little bit intensity. So select E3D layer and screen setup, and guys, go to here default. Guys, go to down, hit this one, intensity I take 100 and press OK. And yeah, so go to back and play. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so guys, now I change resolution, take quarter for more fast visibility. Yes, really good. See guys, that's my camera movement animation. And now guys, I create more glossy effect on this text. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so guys, stop this animation and take full. So guys, select this E3D layer, select and duplicate, press Ctrl D, actually select, and guys, I changed render setting. Guys, go to physical environment is good, and lighting, I use cinema. Yeah, good. And go to shadow and shadow check, and go to ambient occlusion check, and select to use high. Guys, intensity I like 5. Yeah, 5 is good. Actually 2.5. Yes, much better, right? So yeah, all is good. So guys, now select this E3D layer and duplicate, press Ctrl D. Yeah, that's my second one, and go to output and show to change illumination. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful text. So guys, select this E3D top layer and change to screen. Yes, and go to effect and preset, and this time I apply glow effect. Select this glow, apply on E3D layer, unfold all. Guys, threshold like 40. Yes, and radius like I take 200, and intensity like 4. Yes, right, and change like this. Yeah, 200 is good. And guys, again second one, glow, and this time glow take 100, radius 100, intensity like 2. Yeah, good. And now guys, this time expose, select, and exposure like 2. Yeah, and last one guys, I take curve tool for color correction. So select and apply. Yeah, and increase size like this. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful text effect. It's really beautiful, right? See, okay, so now I select this camera and guys go to here, camera option, and depth of field, check on depth of field, and guys zoom like 2000 more and little bit closer on 0 frame. Yes, yeah, okay, so now guys aperture, this one 150 and 200 is good. Yeah, and guys go to focus distance, check. So unfold all and guys select this camera and press U. Guys, I change manually focus distance like 300 and enter. Guys, that's my manually focus. Yeah, is good. And press F9. And now guys, I go to like 3 second and manually change focus. Yeah, focus is good. That's my focus. A little bit change like 280. Yeah, much better, right? Okay, so guys, I go to like 6 second and again change my focus distance and like this, like 200. Yes, better. And now guys, I go to like 10 second. Yeah, again change focus distance. I take like 300. Yeah, is good. And guys, I go to like 13 second. And again change focus. I like 400. Yeah, beautiful. And last one guys, go to 15 second and focus, again change like 450. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful focus. And second one, depth of field, is really better. And yeah, all is good. See guys, that's my final text animation. See, and play. Guys, that's take little bit time because that's my so much heavy text effect. So guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download this project file and texture from my website. It's free. Thank you.